If you are looking for a delicious vegetarian recipe with 60 grams of protein, this soya chunk cheese toast recipe is for you. Let's do this.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I made a recipe video, and today's recipe is going to be so simple, and I am telling you, it tastes so goddamn good. So if you are ready to get this video underway, you know the drill. Go ahead, like the video and also subscribe. 90% of you who are watching my videos are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe and leave a comment down below, and let's jump into my kitchen. To start off, soak 50 grams of soya chunks in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, drain and squeeze out the water and transfer the soya chunks into a food processor and grind it into a mixture as such. Then onto a pan on medium flame, add half tablespoon of oil or ghee and a pinch of hing. Once the oil heats up, add 1 to 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Give it a couple of seconds and add half of a medium onion and 1 to 2 green chilies. Saute until the onions turn transparent. This should roughly take about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add a small bowl of mixed veggies. I personally went with carrots, peas and corn, along with half a teaspoon of salt. Continue sauteing until the raw smell of the veggies fade. Next, let's add the minced soya chunks into the mixture along with the following spices: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Go ahead and give this a good mix, guys. Once all the spices are well blended in, your soya chunk stuffing is ready. Next, take 4 slices of bread, doesn't matter if it's white or wheat. Coat 1 tablespoon of ketchup on each one of them and distribute the soya chunk stuffing across all 4, and finally top each of them with 1 slice of low-fat cheese. Now, you can quite honestly eat them just like this, but you know what would make them even better? Air frying them. So bake these bad boys at 350 degrees for about 4 to 5 minutes until they look like this. And there you go. Just look at that, guys. Look at it. Your soya chunk cheese toast is ready.
Okay, here goes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Now, moving on to the macros, this entire recipe is a total of about 800 calories, of which 104 grams are carbs, 20 grams are fat, and 60 grams are protein. And if you divide the entire recipe into 4 servings, basically each slice of bread, that is approximately 200 calories, 26 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat and 15 grams of protein. Do give this recipe a try, guys. I am telling you, you will love it. Especially for vegetarians who are finding it difficult to hit their protein goals, this is perfect for you. And with that, we come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead, like the video, subscribe. If you do try the recipe out, do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.